The question is asked by Indrapreet. She is asking that is it true that the society is influenced more by the gloss, more by the apparent than by the real, which she is calling as the substance. She is asking what is the meaning of this. You see, you can only know or see to the extent of your own intelligence. Beyond that, you will not be able to see. If I am superficial, I can only see what is superficial in you. Appreciate this. If I exist only at the surface level, only at the level of the apparent, then in you also I will only be able to see what is apparent. If I know myself only according to the kind of clothes I wear, if I wear good clothes, then I feel good about myself. And if I don't wear good clothes, I do not feel so good about myself. Then that's what I'll do with you also. If I find you wearing good clothes, I'll say you are wonderful. And if I find you wearing something ordinary, I'll say, oh, you are so ordinary. I will only see what I am. I will only see what I am. Are you getting it? The fact that your society can see no further, no deeper than the very superficial is indicative of the individuals in the society. After all, the society is nothing but the individuals in it. Most people are trained, educated, conditioned by their upbringing, by this entire education system, to look only at that which is right there on the surface. They have no understanding of what is real, what is substantial. Hence they look only at that. They look only at that. And it's not to be blamed upon them. The eyes can only look at what is apparent. The ears can only hear the sound waves that come up to them, physical sound waves. The skin can only touch what is physical. So, in some sense, it is natural that your senses feed you only the superficial. The superficial, what you can see, what you can hear, is being fed to you right now and is being fed to this camera as well. You are receiving some light waves and sound waves coming from here, and this camera is also receiving them. But because you have the faculty of intelligence, because you are intelligent beings, you will get so much from this session, and this camera will not get anything. It is impoverished, poor, and it will remain poor even though it will record everything. In spite of recording everything, it will not get anything because it sees only what it sees. It cannot find any intelligent meaning in that. It will record all the sound waves, but it will not be able to understand what they mean. It exists just at the surface level. And the surface is the physical thing. The physical thing it will surely record. But beyond that, nothing else. This is what is meant by stupidity. This is what is meant by absence of intelligence. And because our society consists of individuals who are more or less like this camera, the individuals in our society are more or less like this camera. They see, they hear, they touch, but they do not understand anything. Just as this camera does not understand anything. Just hears and records and sees. Hence, our social values are all sensate values. Bigger, more beautiful, more mellifluous, all sensate values. You will not bother about the real substance of a person. You will bother about how smooth her skin is, or how muscular the body is. There was this particular advertisement in front of a mall. It said, it was of course by a company that makes toiletries, shaving products. It said, women prefer men who shave in the evening. Women prefer men who shave in the evening. Now that's the kind of surface level society you are living in. If the only way a woman looks at a man is how well and how clean shaved he is, then God save the woman and the man both. But why blame her? We can't blame her because she has been trained and conditioned not to go beyond the apparent. Her whole education is about what is obvious. So, marks are obvious. Marks are obvious. Understanding is not obvious. An education system that places a great emphasis upon result is bound to produce women like these. Because what you are saying is that ultimately what is apparent, the final thing that will count. Are you getting it? Get success by hook or by crook because that is what is obvious. The process is obviously not to be seen. Nobody can see the process, but everybody can see the result. So get the result somehow. That's what your education does to you. That's what parents do to us. That they train us to remain at the surface. Get money somehow. And all that can be seen physically, quantitatively, is that figure in your bank balance. The story behind that obviously cannot be seen, so it is unimportant. The figure can be seen, the eyes can look at that figure, so it is important. The story behind that figure, that entire process, that cannot be seen, so forget it. Forget it, just forget it. Yes.